Hello my dear friends, that's me again, and today I wanna to teach you how to create a primitive lamp. It's not so difficult, but it can help you to survive in difficult conditions. Okay, let's go. You need potato or some other vegetable. Make a circle out of it. That's enough. And you should make a hole in it. That's right. Okay, now you can use a cotton wool or some other fiber, for example a fiber from a nettle stems if you are in the wild nature. You should make a wig out of it. Then you can use a plate or something else. Add a little any oil. It's a sunflower seeds oil. And soak a wig in it. In Ukrainian, this device is called kaganets. Pass it through the hole in a potato ring, and we need just a little end of it. And that's all. Let's use our lighter. It works, as you can see. You can use it instead of the expensive candles. When the week is over, you can just use some tool or two sticks to move it on the top. This potato prevents the fire from spreading on all over this oil, and it can be used as long as you need. And that's all what I wanna show you, my friends. It's a very cool source of heat and light, so you can use it everywhere where you want. And that's all what I wanna show you, my friends. Bye.